Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Nada, and today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most frustrating issues that can happen in Baldur's Gate 3 modding. Sometimes you create a custom weapon, custom armor, or a custom item, and everything looks great in the editor, but then you place it and it is completely invisible on the ground. The reason for this is incorrect item bounds. I covered this briefly in a prior tutorial, but enough people have been bringing it up that I wanted to make a dedicated video for y'all to show you how to fix it in just a few minutes. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need a custom item model. That could be a weapon, a piece of armor, or any other item. If you're not sure how to do that yet, check out my prior tutorials. I cover how to make custom weapon and armor models on the videos that should show up on the screen now. Next, we need to identify your item's GUID so we know the exact file that we're going to edit. So open up the resource manager and then locate your custom item, then look in the appropriate GUID column and you'll see your GUID in its matching column as I've highlighted here. Keep that GUID handy because we're going to need it in a second. So now we're going to use LSLib so we can edit that item's properties, specifically the bounds. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the link in the video description. Open up LSLib and go to the LSX, LSB, LSF, LSJ Tools tab. Next, click the three-dot button next to the input file path. Navigate to your mod folder, which is going to be in your game folder. And for most people, it's going to be something like Baldur's Gate 3, data, public, your mod name, and then content. And then when you're inside that folder, find the LSF file that starts with that GUID that you noted earlier. So select that file. Now copy that input path that has now been imported and put that into the output path. And once you do that, change the file extension from .lsf to .lsx and then click convert. This is going to create a version of the file that we can edit. Now navigate to where your new file has been created and open up the LSX file. Search for the field called BoundsMax and set its value to 111, all separated by spaces. That's enough to fix the invisible item issue in most cases, but keep watching because we have to convert it back for the toolkit to be able to use it. There are more accurate ways to generate bounds, such as by using a plugin created by Strike, but it's a little bit more advanced, so I didn't want to cover it here. So I've linked the tool in the video description, and feel free to leave a comment if you'd like to see how to use that more advanced tool. Now, after editing that file, save it. Now we're going to convert the file back. So go back to LSLib, set the input file to the LSX file that you just edited. So just change the file extension if you didn't close it, and then set the output file back to LSF. Again, just changing that ending if you didn't close it. Click convert again, and then restart the Baldur's Gate 3 toolkit. Restarting the toolkit is important because otherwise the change might not show up. Once the toolkit reloads, try placing the item again. It should now appear correctly rather than being invisible. Modding can definitely get a little bit messy at times. If you approach problems systematically like this, we can get to the bottom of whatever is going on and we can fix it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and consider supporting me on Patreon. And if there are other Baldur's Gate 3 modding problems that you'd like a little bit of help figuring out, let me know in the comments and we'll work on it. Thanks for watching and Starship out.
Sorry. Hope they don't stain. Care to raise your glass to that?